I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brussels Rides. It's been a minute since we've taken the boys to a car show, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go get some ice cream. There's a late evening cars and coffee, which like never happens here. It's the first time I've ever been to one. So we're gonna take Maddox's car out there, and
Can I talk?
unfortunately little man can't go because he's a little too young right now and I can't fit his car in there. You know, don't forget, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more notifications of other videos. It helps the channel out. And let's get there and see what cool rides we got today.
Can I talk?
Got a Maserati in front of us. He doesn't want to mess around.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
We found that one.
Oh, really? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you put the new the GT bumper on.
Yeah, that's got the GT on it now.
Yeah.
That was a good find. But I bought the T-top car, I got the front end for 50 bucks.
Oh.
You can't find one for under 300.
Yeah.
You got to come right here. Oh, stand right here.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That looks good.
I'm actually about to paint my buckets black. That's my next move. And then if I like the buckets, I'll do the trim.
I didn't do it.
You want to report some?
Did. It didn't take him a day. It's just 3 coats. He did it's zinc yellow, which is the 99 to 03 yellow. And then it's gold pearl. He mixed just under an ounce of gold pearl.
Building on this thing's so good that like you can do all this and it'll fix it for me. Go ahead,
Basically.
we got some more cars, man.
Yep. Yeah, if you do any more, it turns.
They're all set up. Just warming up, not even on the track idle yet. And we got a problem. So when we installed the long tube headers on the foxbody, we put the car up on some stands, and when I pulled the boss back in, I noticed there was a little puddle of orange coolant on the floor. By puddle, I mean it's probably about the size, probably about 3-inch diameter puddle. So now we've got the car warming up. I've got the radiator cover off, and we're gonna see if we can figure out where that leak was. I was able to look down in there in front of the condenser and see a puddle. And I'm trying to see if it starts to reform. It's kind of on both sides, honestly. So I'm not sure where it's leaking from. looking in between the air conditioner and condenser. I'm gonna try and see if I can locate it. All right, guys, riddle me this. Car's been smelling like coolant, been leaking. You look down in the front of the, you pull off the radiator cover and you look down here, and I wiped it up, and you can see where there was some coolant. So logic would say it's leaking around the side and coming out here. Well, you go up here, there's not really any indication of leaking. The lower hose looks fine. Lower hose looks fine, and this T connection looks fine. No coolant up here. So when I'm driving, how is coolant getting to the front? You look in between the radiator and the condenser, and there's some junk in there, but like it's not an active leak. I wiped it all up. I don't know what's going on. What are your guys' ideas? Okay, so I'm sorry this video is jumping all over the place, guys. You can tell it's been a few days here. Next step, I still don't know what the cause of the coolant leak is. I dried it up, haven't really checked to see if it came back. I put the cover on. I got to take it back off, but what I'm going to end up having to do is I'm going to have to jack the car up and pull off the skid plate from underneath of the splitter and kind of inspect it there. I'm kind of hoping, honestly, if something's leaking, I hope one, it's either like a hose, something easy to replace, but it's probably not because I checked all the hoses. Or two, which actually I'm not really hoping for this, because one of my least favorite things to do is that it's the radiator, because it's a Mishimoto, and Mishimoto has a lifetime warranty on the product. So assuming that it's not damaged and that it just failed, you know, I should get a free replacement. So we're gonna get the car jacked up and we'll take a look at it here when I get a second. Yeah, man, I'm not really looking forward to this, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Comment down below what you guys think it is. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We get some more boss content on the channel here soon. Hopefully, I'd love to get back out to the drag strip this season. If you guys want to see that, let me know. And yeah, that's going to do it for today on Brailsford Rides. I'll see you guys next time. Stand by for wide open throttle, open header pulls. It's going to be cool. Take care, guys.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Look at what clouds see all the cars. This is why Dad's supposed to be marbles.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a